Hi friends, today we are making a quick Chinese water spinach stir fry. If you've ever seen this vegetable at an Asian market and wonder what it is, it's called water spinach, also known as morning glory or Ong Choy. Hollow stems, tender leaves, and perfect for fast stir fries. Start by trimming the stems. I usually remove the leaves because I prefer the crunchy stems, but you can absolutely keep them. And cutting them into bite-sized sections. Roughly chop some garlic. Slice the Chinese sausage on a diagonal. You can also keep it vegetarian or use other meats like bacon or pork. Heat the pan over medium-high heat. Add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and dried chilies. When they become fragrant, add the sausage. Cook until the edges start to curl slightly, then add the water spinach. Season simply with soy sauce. Keep the heat at medium-high and stir fry for about 1 minute. And that's it, super quick and delicious vegetable dishes. Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoy quick meals under 30 minutes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.